Hey, what's up? I'm Dave Boyer, aka Mr. Boyer, aka the Swamp Man. I'm here at Boyer's Pond on Boyer's Park. It's not the most spectacular pond, but it's been pretty much hand dug by me over the past 10 years or so. I dig every once in a while and don't have anything else to do. Come down here and dig. Deepest part's maybe 8 feet or so in a couple of sections, but what I wanted to stop and show you was the ice floating on top of the pond. It doesn't sound that spectacular. Most people know up north that when it gets cold, the top layer of the water, like even on the Great Lakes and big lakes up in Minnesota, can freeze over. So what's unique about water is that its solid state, its ice state, is less dense than its liquid state. In general, most objects, when they get heated up, the molecules start to move around faster because they're excited and they start to spread apart. When they spread apart, they become less dense. But in ice and water, when water starts to get cooled down, instead of those molecules wanting to or continuing to be able to huddle closer together to become more dense at the solid state, instead they start to build this crystallized structure that we know of as ice. I think I got a deer just running off in the woods over there, but ice is less dense than water, so it floats on water. Anything less dense than water is going to float. And it's really important for ecosystems to have these things, because that layer of ice up in Minnesota, where it's really, really cold, well below 0 Celsius, where it's that cold and there's that thick of ice on the top of the pond, it insulates the rest of the pond underneath it. And all the organisms, the fish in particular, can survive really well throughout the winter there because they have that blanket on top of them, a blanket of ice, because ice is less dense as a solid than it is as a liquid. Pretty cool. Well, I thought I'd stop at Boyer's Pond and share that with you and tell you that science rocks. Peace.